Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start your taxes on TurboTax for 2025. And trust me, this process is way easier than you think. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to dive into your tax return with confidence. So, let's get started. First things first, open up any web browser and head over to the official TurboTax website. This is where everything begins. On the top right corner, you'll see the Sign In button. If you already have a TurboTax account, just log in with your email and password. But if you're new to TurboTax, don't worry. It only takes a couple of minutes to set up an account. Just follow the guided prompts and you'll be in. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the TurboTax Home Hub. This is like your control center. Here, you can either start a brand new tax return or pick up where you left off if you've already started one. Now, before jumping into the forms, it's a good idea to click on the Review and Edit option. This lets you confirm that all your personal details, like your name, address, and filing status, are up to date. Accuracy here is crucial because even small mistakes can slow down your refund or create unnecessary issues later. Next up is setting up your personal profile. TurboTax will guide you step by step to make sure everything is correct and customized for your situation. This includes basic info like your contact details, but also key things that affect your taxes, like whether you're single, married, or have dependents. Take your time here. It sets the foundation for your entire return. Now comes the part most people worry about: reporting your income. TurboTax makes this super straightforward. You'll enter details from your W-2s, 1099s, or any other income forms you may have. The software will guide you through each one, making sure nothing gets missed. Some employers and banks even let you import this information directly, saving you from typing it in manually. That's it! You're officially started on your tax return. From here, TurboTax will walk you through deductions, credits, and everything else step by step, so you can file with confidence. And there you have it. Starting your taxes on TurboTax really is shockingly easy. All it takes is signing in, setting up your profile, reviewing your info, and entering your income. TurboTax does the heavy lifting from there. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your taxes this year.